Hi everyone and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your speedometer from analog to digital. This is a practical and handy feature for those who prefer to see their speed in a digital format or vice versa. Please note that the multi-information displays vary across Toyotas, so this feature may not be applicable to your Toyota model. For reference, I am filming this video using a 2021 RAV4 Limited. What we are really looking for is the speedometer to look like this and be part of the screen digitally rather than just a stationary speedometer. This is the default design of the screen with the analog speedometer. Some people like it this way as it is still easy to view but also fits with the design of the multi-information display. To change your speedometer, we are going to use the left and right arrows on the steering wheel to get to our settings menu. Rotate through the menus on your screen until you get to the little gear icon, which will be lit up, and that is your settings menu. We are now going to rotate down through the menu options using our down arrow on the steering wheel until we get to meter settings, which is usually at the very bottom and has a little icon of a front dash screen along with the word settings. To enter this menu, you must click and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. You will then see a few options pop up, including language and units. Feel free to adjust from kilometers to miles here, or vice versa, using the units option. For now, we are going to select meter type. So we'll rotate down and click OK when we get to meter type. And you will notice the two types of speedometers, analog or digital. We're on analog now, so I'm going to rotate down and click OK to change to the digital option. You can now click the back arrow on your steering wheel located by the four arrows to get out of the menu and rotate using the arrows to get back to your main screen. This is the final product of having a digital speedometer on the main screen rather than an analog version. Most people will also be able to see both the kilometers and miles in digital version as well. To change it back to analog, we will do the same thing. So rotate through your menus using the arrows on your steering wheel until you find the settings menu. Rotate down through the settings until you find meter settings. Click and hold OK to open the settings menu. Use your arrows to find meter type, then click OK. Use your arrows and OK button to choose analog. Now use your back arrow to get out of the settings menu and then operate your arrows to return to your main screen. And that is all on how to adjust your speedometer from analog to digital or from digital to analog. I hope this video was helpful to you. And please keep in mind that this feature is available on select models and the settings menu may look a little bit different depending on your model and year of Toyota. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.